Welcome to SAG Infotech. In this video tutorial, I will tell you how the clients are shown according to the relevant period as per their registration date and their dealer type. So first, to view the dealer type, that is regular, we'll take an example through GSTR1. Click on GST returns, GSTR1 button. Now, after selecting the month, the client's list will be shown, and here you can see the dealer type is mentioned. That is, the client's dealer type is regular as it is GSTR1, and the registration date are mentioned. Similarly, for composition clients, we'll go to GSTR4. Again, the clients list are shown. Here the dealer type is mentioned as composition, and similarly the registration date. Thank you.